Hello crafties, this is Sandra, and in this little short follow along inspirational video that is made with the digital gratitude gathering in mind, you can follow along when I create a wonderful card for a friend of mine. And if you like this channel and if you find this helpful for you, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss any of my upcoming tutorials and videos. I do them all the time, and I talk about being an illustrator working from home, so you get tips about being an illustrator or starting your online business. Remember to join my newsletter as well. You find the link below. In that case, you never miss any of the fun stuff happening there. And you can snatch a 20% coupon code for my shop, and that's a really cool thing. So, but now let's get on and create this card. And to participate in the digital gratitude gathering this year, you should create a card with a lovely quote that you give to someone that is your everyday hero, someone who helped you when you had a tough time or always there to support you whatever you do, all the crazy stuff in life. So it's so easy to forget those people that are close to us and are always there. So in this digital gratitude gathering for this year, I want to highlight all those everyday heroes. So now, enough about that. You have to post your design that you create in the Wildfire Cafe Facebook group, and you find the link below as well. And I will be using the freebies that all the crafties that receive my newsletter will get today sometime. I know that the mail service I use send the emails at different times, so watch out for your in your inboxes so you can snatch these two lovely frames. If you want to, of course, you can design anything you want. So yeah, let's get on with it. So this will be a little follow along kind of video for you. So first of all, you always have to name your document, because if you close it, it's so hard to find otherwise. So digital gratitude gathering 2019, and I made 5/7 card size here, and be sure to have it set at 300 pixels per inch as we are going to print this one. And you can always hit this print option up here if you are uncertain or nervous that you're doing things right. Then you will automatically have this 300 dpi option filled in. And I usually use this RGB color mode, as my printer is working with the RGB color mode. So be sure to check what your printer is set to. So, and I will use a white background because I will create other stuff, so it doesn't matter that much. But we take white this time and create. Oh my lord, that was a little document. Is this really right? Let's check. Image size. Oh, pixels. That's not good. It should be inches. Then you change it like this, width 5 inches and height 7 inches. And the resolution should be 300. Oh, now we're ready to go. Much better. And I use the control minus and plus shortcut to zoom out and in. So super easy. I will be using the same color as I did in the preview video that I shared, both in the Facebook group and in the Facebook page as well. And I be filling the whole card with this color. I don't really like it when it's sharp white. Of course, everyone loves different things. Sometimes I use this harsh white as well. So you can choose whatever color you want, of course. This is just my little design. And I will be using this easy way, I think, so you can change your mind 100 times. And it's the little circle half moon thingy here. And I press that one and choose a solid color. And now it's automatically filled as it was activated before. And I want to use the frames, freebie frames from the Digital Gratitude Gathering pack for this year that you received in your newsletter if you are a subscriber, of course. So make sure to subscribe so you never miss fun stuff like this. So now I go to File, Place Linked, and that was my previews. And I choose to use PNG as PNG has transparent backgrounds. And I will show you the difference here. So I think I will use the black one this time. Let's see. Maybe we can do something fun with it. And I will make it a little bit smaller. I hold the shift key and then I drag this one, and then you will it will not be transformed the size of your or the shape of your clip art. Look like you can do whatever you want with it, but it will be a little jagged that way. So to go back, I always use Control Z. So place the file. Yes, of course. Whoopsie whoopsie. Now let's see if we got those center lines here. Oh no, it's going to be a little tricky on me. If you don't get any, center lines or something that to help you to place your clip art in the center, you can always use this selection tool here, and then you select the whole document like this, and then you activate the clip art here. Be sure the clip art is activated, and then you go to the arrow here and just press on this one here. And tralala, it was in the center. Fantastic. And then we can deselect it because it will give you a lot of crazy messages here on the screen if you just proceed without unchecking it, so to speak. And maybe I will create another color for this one. And you can do this a very easy way. This is a trick that I have to have to teach you. You can press the clip art frame here, or click it or activate it, whatever you say, and then you can press this half moon again, my favorite button in the world, and you press solid colors. And now it disappeared. Oh my lord, you say, but it hasn't. It's beneath. So you can change it to another color, maybe brown here or something. It doesn't really matter, you can change it afterwards. And then you go up to the layers panel, and now the magic happens. You choose create clipping mask here. Ta-da! And your clip art magically change colors. So now you can change the colors of any clip art you have with this little easy trick. And I want to have it like a brown. I think I love browns. A dark chocolatey brown, musty brown. I think this is beautiful, yeah. And then I press OK. And let's see. The color was not selected automatically. Then I go to the color picker here and just click, and then we have the color here. And I will add a text layer, and I will use the grandma font here, but you can use whichever font you love. And grandma is a paid, you have to pay for this font, but there are lots of free fonts for you to use in Google font library, which you find if you go to the Google search bar and just add Google fonts, and then it will take you to the Google fonts library where you can download I don't know, thousands, but there are many fonts. And the good thing with these fonts are that most online services have those in their own libraries. So if you are like doing a collection or something and don't own so many fonts, you can always go and check there, and then you can use those fonts also in commercial use. So that's perfect for our little world here in the crafty land. So I often use Google fonts when I create branding for crafties, and so they can use it, you know, in their commercial business venture, of course, and you don't have to buy expensive fonts if you don't have one, or if you don't know which one to use, or if you want to use free software online, then it's very easy. Most of, like WordPress, if you want to do a website and stuff like that, they have most, not all, of course, but I can check that for you if you if you want me to do your branding sometime. So now we're sidetracked here again, but yeah, go to Google Fonts and choose a font that you love, or choose from your font library that you have. And if you have a Photoshop Creative Cloud, you can always add new fonts from the type kit tool or service here. So I love Creative Cloud, and I love this type kit option they have here. So and thank you for always standing up for me. This is for my friend, like this, and now I can enlarge. Oh, it disappeared. Not good at all. Let's see here. Oh, standing up for me. I don't know if you say it like that. I will write it in Swedish because my friend speaks Swedish. It's strange if I use English, I think. So da. Center it like this. I'm sorry if my iPad is going bananas here beside me. I don't know why it's uploading all notifications right now, if you hear it. And if you don't think the font or the text is looking good, you can always go to this character tool. You find it here on the side panel or in the Windows panel character. And here you can change the distance between the lines here. So I will not talk all that fancy names and stuff. I want to talk to you so you understand what I'm saying. The distances between the lines, change them here. Like this. And now I have to center it again. And I activate the text here. And then I press OK and to center it up here in the what you call it, move tool. I always forget what everything is called. Like this. I think this will be so beautiful for my friends. And what I wrote here is tack för att du alltid finns där för mig. And in English it is thank you for always being there for me. So this will be my little project for this digital gratitude gathering this year. And I love to see what you are going to create with your creativity, skill, and warm hearts. And you don't have to show what you are your note that you are writing here in your design, because I understand it can be very personal. And so you just have to you can show the envelope or just a thumbs up or something in the Crafty Cafe, and you find a picture there, post here it says. So just post it there before the 23rd. You have a week, approximately, a couple of days left here. And then you will receive a little gift for me, for participating and making the world a little bit warmer and friendlier. So yeah, I know this was not a tutorial in that way, but you can always stop the movie or the video and check what I did, or learn my little tips and tricks. So yeah, this was an inspirational movie mostly for you. Why do I always say movie? It's video, sorry. And I hope to see you in the digital gratitude gathering this year, and create something from your heart and give your friend a little gift. And yeah, see you later, Crafty. Bye bye.